Hello internet world, welcome to my unboxing and first look at the C64 Mini Black Edition. Very excited for this. A bit of background about myself is I grew up with the early days of computing. Indeed, my first actual computer that wasn't a games console was the ZX Spectrum. Then I moved on to the Commodore 64 or the C64 and of course the Commodore Amiga, Atari ST, Atari ST-FM, lots of the early Apple computers as well. It's been a big part of my experience, these early computers. So when I saw the C64 Mini Black Edition announced, I knew I had to order it. So I purchased this in and it looks fantastic. I love the way they've done the box. 25 incredible new games. This looks absolutely fantastic. Indeed, if we look at the end of the box here, we've got the box contents here, which I'll show you of course. We've got the C64 Mini Black Edition itself, HDMI cable, 25 new games pre-installed, joystick as well, and I think it's a microswitch joystick, also USB power supply cable and an instruction manual. You don't get an AC adapter inside the box, you have to use your own one. Features, high definition 720p. This is really good, and indeed I do want a CRT TV, but it says here CRT filter options, so you can put a filter across the top if you're using this on a more modern day display. We've also got a game save function, and then via USB you can connect your own devices and play your own games and do firmware updates. So if you've got a USB memory stick and you've got some ROMs of older games that you own, you can install those older ROMs on this and play your other games that you own as well. On the back here, it's got some pictures of some of the games that are pre-installed. The full list, I will read it out to you, are A Pig's Quest, Karen and the Tangled Tentacles, Galencia, Goodnight, Grid Pre, Guns and Ghosts, Hessian, Hunter's Moon Remastered, It's Magic 2, Joe Gun Gold Edition, Nightingale, Metal Warrior Ultra, Millie and Molly, Nixie and the Seeds of Doom, Ooze the Escape, also P0 Snake, Pains and Aches, Planet Golf, also Rocky Memphis, The Legend of Atlantis, Run and Gun, Sam's Journey, Shadow Switcher, Spinning Image, Steel Ranger and Yeti Mountain. Wow, we've got some great games pre-installed on here. So let's get this open and have our first look at what we have got inside the box. And I want to open this really carefully because I like to keep my games consoles and their product packaging in nice good condition. So I just want to make sure I don't rip this end section, which is in there very tight. There we go. So we've got that open and we will slide the inner box out. Let's just pop that to that side for you. And let's have a look inside the box. So again, it says the C64 Mini Black Edition. And then, wow, okay, I'm going to reveal this to you. I'm going to have to move this out of the way. I want to reveal it to you like that. Look at that. That is so cool. Wow, that's, in fact, it's smaller than I thought it was going to be. I knew it was going to be mini, but that's a little bit smaller than I thought. Let's start on this side here, if we can, with the joystick. Oh, no, we're going to have to take this out first. The way it's packed in, we have to remove this one first. So we have got the joystick here on this side. So cool. I'm really excited about this. Let's pop that packaging back in there. So we've got the joystick. We'll take a closer look at the box contents, of course, once it's out of the box. We've got some cables. So we've got USB-A to USB-C cable inside that bag there. And we've got an HDMI cable inside this bag here. And then we have got the C64 Mini Black Edition quick guide. That's going to guide you through all of the various controls and how to connect it. Wow, very cool. Let's pop that back in there. I probably won't need the instructions. Same with the cables. I'll probably use my own cables. And then let's remove the C64 Mini out of this portion here. Oh, it's so good. It is so good. I don't know why I expected the keyboard to work. There we go. It's a tight fit, but it is out. Very, very cool. I love it. Absolutely love it. We'll take a closer look at that very shortly. That is all of the box contents. So here we go. This is the C64 Mini Black Edition. How cool is that? In fact, let me give you a little bit of a closer look of this. And wow. So we have got a really, oh my goodness, that is like a step back in time. We've got a micro-switched joystick, very, very well made. We've got additional buttons down the bottom here, including this one, which will act as a menu button. We've also got these two, which will act as trigger buttons. And then we've got our left and right. Oh my, that is so, so good. A nice texture to it. This is a very, very nicely made piece of kit. And then we've got the C64 Mini itself. Again, I wish the keys worked, but it is a little console after all. And you can connect external peripherals to this. Very, very cool indeed. Power in, HDMI out on the back. This side's completely clear, as is the front. We've got what's going to be the power button, I assume, on the side. And then we've got the USB just there. Very, very cool indeed. The only thing I would say, and it's not a criticism, it's just a suggestion for future Minis, is instead of having this button on the side here, perhaps have the button on the F1 key, the power button here or something. That would be cool. Or have these do something. Maybe this is the menu button. Maybe this takes over some of the controls from here. But that's a minor, just a suggestion really for future models. This is absolutely fantastic. I really do love it. Just look at the quality of this. It's such a fun little console. Wow. Oh my goodness, this is going to be really, really fun. 25 games built in. I ran through the list of them earlier and I can't wait. I really can't wait to get this all connected up and start enjoying those retro games. I think they've done a great job with the C64 Mini. It's absolutely superb and I can highly recommend that you check this out. If you want to pick up one of these for yourself, I left some links down in the video description area, so please do check out those links. There's also a link to the manufacturer's website. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, of course, and I'll see you all in another video very, very soon.